I'm Kivashkar, and this is my teammates Mitra Saravanan, Logini, and Kavita Ramesh. So today we are going to present human-computer interaction in 32. So we have created an application. It is the name Writer Scan. So these apps are mainly for elder people and also disabled people. So this is our home page. So if you click the Get Started button, you will go to the category. So in category, there are various things, which is phone call, albums, food, and also many things. Okay, so if you click the phone call, you can make a call. And if you click albums, you can see many photos, including camera, WhatsApp images, download photos, WhatsApp videos, shots. And if you click food category, you can use the services like Foodpanda or Foodgrab, and if you click the communication category, you can use the social media applications like WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, YouTube. So this is the accessibility. So in accessibility, there is vibration and haptic strength, which is for deaf, and also there is caption preference for YouTube, which is they will show like subtitles. And in caption preference also, you can change the color style for blind and also color blind. So this is so even you can change the text size for elders for them to see more clearly the letters all. And this is the magnification for zooms. And this is shortcut services. So in shortcut services, there are various things, which is color inversion, color correction, talkback, accessibility menu, and select to speak. So in color inversion, it is mainly for blind people, and color correction, that is mainly for color blind, and even in correction mode also, that is mainly for color blind. So this is the talkback, and next is select to speak. The next is source button, and finally this is the medical, and you can make an appointment, medical checkup, and even you can do things that is regarding to the medical. Next slide.
Okay. The first question is clearly label the function purpose. First is accessibility communication. Second is manageable. Third is collection of entertainments. Fourth is convenience option. Fourth is additional function app option. Fifth is voice vacation. Next is multi-frequently. Next is reminder to take medicine. Then last is medical checkup. Next slide. Okay, next is Principle of Universal Design, PUD. Flexible use, low physical effort, accumulated use, proportionally size and space, simple and intuitive use, tolerance and for errors. Next slide. Multimodal interaction. First is text. The feedback will display as text message or promote the user. The lead off to some different and not recommended as a stand-alone mode for the user. The next is visual. Visual is interaction is a kind of implied interaction that can assist automobile as enable attention switching and interactive. Third is sound, providing clues and cause that switch their attraction from one thing to another. The reply from app can help user identify what they are doing and what they should do. It will let know the user what app is it, how many notifications they receive. The next is voice. By using voice to definitely usability function and conveys access to a large range of functions, a very comprehensive menu is created. They are often quick and short animation for the voice interaction made by the user for commands, doesn't including bombastic words so user can easily understand. Next is touch. User interaction approach reduces visual demand while also providing rapid feedback and any easy means for cancelling action using for simple touch. After selecting the interaction object and function to the user can employ the desired action with the touch. They don't have the waste time they don't have to waste their time by waiting for the Google Assistant to do. Next slide. Alternative mode. The sound interface, touch interface, screen readers, voice recognition, gesture generation. Next slide. Accessibility. Color inversion, color correction, talkback, accessibility menu, select magnification, color accessibility mode, vibration, haptic strength, capture preference to speech output, one-handed text and icon larger. Next slide. Okay, the second question is explain the use of all functions start in A1. Asset communication. The main app are WhatsApp, Skype, and Telegram. Video call and voice call can make single group video chat. Able to send text message and voice message, share photo and videos with friends and family. Source button, red panic button to make emergency call to COP, family or friends. Next is manageable. Able to control the size of font and icons so easy to recognize. Voice recognitions will give interaction text such as description on how to use application. Focus on the size to the user interface element and keep scrolling simple and avoid displacement, including natural motion such as horizontal and vertical movements. Next, I pass to Kavita.
Thank you, Gini. And now, voice activation. We have talkback and select to speak option under accessibility. Talkback will really useful for them as it first provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have a low vision. When users turn on select to speak, they can tap specific items on your screen such as ads, text, paragraph, photo, and more to hear them read aloud. Next, multifunctionality. Users able to listen podcasts or music in Spotify while using other applications. User can also using this smartphone and one hand in right or left way. Collection of entertainments. Able to click pictures and record videos. Get back remember their unforgettable memories in gallery. They can play mind games or simple games. Use YouTube to watch videos or movies. Use Spotify to listen new or old songs and podcasts in convenience options. They can order household essentials by sorry, calling the shops directly in Google. Order food in Food Pandas as it is easy to order. Next slide. Additional function app and options. Able to watch updated news and they can consult a doctor in emergency situations. They can also use a torchlight if needed later, a magnifier app that enables your phone's camera to zoom in on or whatever you point in and directly turns on the light to highlight where do you need. Read a viewable. You can also freeze that you are looking at with the touch of the screen. You also don't have to keep pointing in the same position the entire time you are reading. Reminder to consume medicine. The elderly will always forget to take their regular medicine on time. So, the reminder will help them to keep in mind. This reminder works in a way that will sound at the time set by the user to take a medicine with the label of medicines. Even they can attach the medicine's picture so they use the won't forget to which medicine it is. This remember sorry this reminder will snooze for 5 minutes on repeat to reminder to user to medicine at the set time until the user turn off after look medicines. Medical checkup. User can find out the latest developments in health related to blood pressure and blood sugar content. They can check their regular medical checkup date and time in this app. Even they can request to change the date and time depends on the transportation and also able to record the advice given by the doctor. Next slide please. Justify how the principles of universal design apply in the interface. The first one is equitable use. Use an easy to understand design and provide effective prompting and feedback both before and after the work is completed. For example, when users want to watch a video in YouTube, accessibility will help users on how to navigate to the video they want. The second is flexibility in use. One hand options will do the because it accommodates at right or left hand use. Also, it includes all horizontal and vertical motions. Also, can easily turns depend on user needs. Tolerance for error. When user make a mistake, it will immediately point out the mistake by showing X mark in red color so normal and colorblind user can identify the error and correct it. Next slide please. Low physical effect. Minimize the number of chance you sorry minimize the number of chances you repeating related navigation. For example, should be placed at the top of pages that user don't have to scroll to the top every time they wish to go to another part of the type. Simple and intuitive use. Use an easy to understand design and provide excellent prompting and feedback both while and after the work is completed. When a user reaches a streaming services, website or apps, for example, they should be able to browse to the video they want right away. The last is appropriately sized and spaced. User can also manipulate the size and spacing of words like how they want. Now I pass my slide to Tivashkar. Thank you.
Okay. So, okay. So explain how the first time user want to use the application solution based on interfaces. For mobility, is 70%. As usual, press the Get Started button in home screen to go main page, which will have all the apps. Before entering into application, they should turn on voice recognition so they can touch or search by voice recognition. If select to speak is turned on in accessibility, then the user can tap specific items on your screen to hear them read aloud. So it will help users on how to access the application. Choose any necessary application that want to be accessed. To order food, go to food category. There will be food panda and food grab. To buy any household essential things, and use food panda Mart Food. Communicate with family or friends. Go to communication and choose any app that you are comfort with, and choose whether it is video call or voice call. If you are in emergency situation, press the SOS button. It will directly contact nearby cops around your living area, your family members or friends who are near you, because there is an automatic location tracker. For medical purpose, there will be medical category which includes medical calendar where you can key appointment dates and information. Then we'll have medical checkup where you can see what type of medical checkup that you have done. Pharmacy options also includes to order and refill your medicine. To use other accessibility, click accessibility and choose any option and click the both high and low volume button to activate it. For normal person, as usual, go to the home screen or type in search engine, or the user can straight away click the navigation to all the site will have many options so they can choose what they want. For an example, click on entertainment and choose any app for entertainment. If the user chooses medical checkup, they just touch or type on the search engine to check the calendar appointment, blood pressure, blood sugar content, and can write the doctor's advice using the notebook given. Next slide.
So the next line is about suggest another potential user of this application with explanation. So the first one is sick children, or sorry, the first one is disabled people, which includes blind and deaf and dumb. When they're in emergency situation, they can utilize SOS application to make an emergency call. When TalkBack is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind and have low vision. There is a vibration and haptic strength option which includes high vibration for deaf people. Since they can't hear, they can use this vibration to notify them. Disabled people can also use magnification to zoom in and zoom out in case if they cannot see. But the magnification feature works everywhere except for the keyboard and the navigation bar. And the second potential user will be sick children, teens, or adults. Uh, they can type or use voice recognition to manage their time and reminders for doctor's appointment. If they will receive notification, or the narrator will contact them, or an alert sound will sound to prompt them to take action. It likes notification. Also, the parents of these sick children can order their medicines in nearby pharmacy in pharmacy app because it has location tracker. So they can go to the medical category and choose the pharmacy to to order the medicines in the nearby pharmacy. Also, individuals can simply manage their mental health since the system will check their health and body usage every day. So they won't have to worry about health management because the app has system where it will save all the details and information. Next slide, please. So the next slide is about teenagers and children. So teenagers and children, this smartphone is also suitable for them. They can use this while they are alone at home and will not feel lonely because it is simple to use. This smartphone application can also be used by children who are alone at home because their parents are working outdoors. They can easily contact their parents if there is any emergency via this mobile application. They will have no trouble learning and comprehending how to use this software. We can use this app to de-stress by accessing entertainment apps or communication apps in that smartphone. Next is about uneducated people. This will be more relevant and suitable for persons who are uneducated and have never completed a formal school. Because there are several simple to use apps available for this mobile device. The icon may then be seen, assumed, and the application can be clearly understood in this application. They can use this time when they are bored, and then the voice instruction will show customers or users how to operate the application, and then they can make an emergency call to be rescued if they are in danger. Next slide, please. So next slide is about pregnant ladies or single parent ladies. Some pregnant ladies will be single parent due to their late husband, or some pregnant ladies may be working alone while their husband at another state. So probably they won't have a male support during their pregnancy. So they can use their smartphone for entertainment in their free time, order food via Foodpanda when they can't cook, go anywhere using Grab, maybe for checkup or anything like that. Also buy groceries and essentials in Foodpanda Mart, where they are selling all the essential and foods related items. If suddenly they are about to give birth, they can press the SOS button for ambulance service. Next slide. That's all from us. Thank you so much.